John, stop.
Stop! I want to go home. I want to go home.
You're
I
not
don't
going
care
home.
anymore.
Stand up.
I want to go home. I don't want any
John,
more.
you need to stand up, dude.
I want to go home. I want to go home, dude. What is this weird shit? I want anything more to go home.
On September 16th, 2024, Tampa Airport Police responded to a heavily intoxicated man refusing to leave a restaurant at Tampa International Airport.
Hey, do me a favor.
Huh?
You can't be hitting people like that.
Hey, that's my friends. What do you mean?
Are you guys together?
No, I'm the manager here.
Okay.
Is she telling me to...
Okay.
Wait.
They're gonna go talk. You can talk to me. What's going on?
Wait, is she being,
Hey,
like, closing me out?
I'm right here, so you don't have to yell. What's going on? Had a little bit
Oh,
of drink?
how fast is this? So she is, like, brought this situation.
Yeah, because look at the way you're acting right now.
I think you brought the situation by the way you're acting.
Oh, fascinating.
You flying out, sir?
Yep, flying back to the United Kingdom.
United Kingdom?
Yep. Fascinating. You guys have been, you're doing what you're doing. Interesting. I have no more conversation. Ready to hire an attorney to deal with you.
Okay.
Both of you.
Yeah,
So I find you guys gross.
Alright.
It's fascist. You're actually fascist.
Okay.
You're actually fascist.
What's that mean?
You had a little bit of drink?
No, it's actually fascism.
You drooled on yourself a little bit there.
No, it's actually, you guys, my family goes back to the root of the United States, so you both are fascists.
Ah, okay. I didn't know that about myself.
Yeah, you should look at my family, and I'm John. Look at my family's history.
What time's your flight, sir?
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter?
It does.
It actually does not matter. You have no everything I say to you is private. You can go through my attorney.
Okay. Do you have a flight today?
No, nothing.
You don't have a flight? Then you need to leave the airside.
So nothing you say to me should ever, it should go through my family attorney.
Hey, John, so we're going to have you get out.
You're one of the nastiest humans and people I've ever met.
It's not the first time I heard that.
Yeah.
We need you to leave right now.
Okay, why?
So, because you don't have a flight, and they want you out of here.
Who?
Two good reasons, okay?
Who wants me out?
The manager of the restaurant wants you out, okay?
Let me see a receipt of leave.
What receipt?
A receipt
I want
of
to
leave?
see a
Did he pay his
receipt
tab?
of someone who
Yeah, he needs to sign it.
asked me to leave.
That's all it is.
Yeah.
So why don't you sign it?
Sign it.
It's right there. Why don't you sign it and let's get out of here?
Good.
This one right here.
So you Bassfield.
Stop touching her.
You're
This one.
Keep your hands to yourself.
well, you're,
I'm not gonna
you're
tell you
my
again.
friend. You won't be able to leave. I got it. She wants me to leave. I love her. I get it. Old Wells. Fascinating. Then you said it. It's Old Wells.
John,
You need to sign that. So
sign this so we can get
we're not
you out of
gonna be here all night
I won't sign that unless you tell me why I should sign it.
because you have to leave.
If you don't want to sign it, then we're going to go a totally different route, okay? Just sign it, pay what you want.
I will get a fucking loads of like product liability attorneys to you up, bitch.
Okay.
So I'm happy to sign it.
All right.
Oh, then sign it.
Let's go.
My grandfather was with Rob Nader. My grandfather was with Rob Nader
phone
and the Chevrolet Corvair case. My grandfather was the most famous product liability attorney in the United States with Rob Nader. I don't know what you're trying to do to me.
You need to leave. That's what we're trying to
I
do.
want to leave and I want to go home.
Okay, well, let's do that.
And I'm trying to find out who I can safely trust.
You trust us.
I'm trying to figure out, I don't trust you, I don't trust you, I might trust you.
All right, cool. Let's grab your stuff and let's go right out here.
Can I trust you, dude?
Yeah, absolutely.
I don't understand why there's police everywhere. And what I've done that calls police everywhere.
take your hands out of your pockets and put your stuff in your bag over there.
But why
Because
is
they want you out. That's why.
okay?
That's why we're here.
Why is police arrived everywhere?
Because they want you out.
Who?
The business wants you out of here.
Okay.
So we're here to escort you out of here.
God, so that's what the issue is.
Yep.
Thank you. Thank you for explaining.
No problem.
But my family also owns part of this business.
Okay.
That's what's
Well,
really
you can talk
interesting.
to them right after you go home.
That's what's interesting.
I like that.
This is his.
That's his?
Yes.
You can take your ladle with you.
Yep. But I will follow this.
How about you put that in your bag so you're not carrying a
Yep.
giant spoon
I will
around?
follow the camera.
Okay. Go ahead and put your giant
I know.
spoon in your bag there.
I know. I'll follow you.
You want one of these to carry your bag for you?
Huh?
You want them to carry your bag for you so you're not dropping everything?
No.
All right. Good.
I will. You're a good human. I love you. Good human, dude.
All right. There you go.
I love this human. It's a good human. Do you want to see my ID?
Yeah, if you can.
Oh, I'm very famous, my friend.
You're famous?
Yeah, my family goes back to the belly banks and
Who's that?
Biddle, the jewelry of the American presidency. It goes back to like all kinds of old shit.
Is it?
Yeah, it's British Airways. I think that is.
I'm on $1 of the United States. My entire family's on the Great
that-
Seal of the United States.
Is that the fourth or the fifth?
The fourth.
The fourth?
Yep.
Not good at Roman numerals.
it's
My
like British Airways.
entire family created the Great Seal of the United States. We created I have every artifact about the U.S. dollar in the United States. Of the United States. I'm drunk. Yeah.
I know.
I'm drunk.
So I got you.
So help me, dude. So what I'm telling you is we created. My family created the basic. My family is belly banks and Biddle. We created basically everything that's an artifact of American emblems of the Great Seal of the United States, the Medal of
You
Honor.
want to take your hands out of your pockets while we're talking to you?
Yeah.
I just feel safer. I don't know. You don't have to do all that. Just keep your hands out of your pockets. You can keep them down.
You should not try to do that with me, man. Like the power that's about to change things here. That's it.
We're gonna take this tram here.
I love you.
I appreciate that.
I love you. You're my friend.
Alrighty.
Dude.
We're gonna keep our hands to ourselves. I don't like that.
Am I your friend?
Huh?
Am I your friend?
You're f***ing my friend, dude.
Oh, all right, cool. We're cool now.
My friend.
No,
Can I hug you?
Stop.
Can I
Pick
hug
your bag
you?
up. No, you don't gotta hug me. Handshake was good
How
enough.
weird. It's like, it's
Pick your bag up.
interesting.
Let's grab your bag because we're gonna take this tram right here.
You get the president.
Hey, do me a favor.
Hey,
Come here. John.
You get the president.
John, come here.
Slow down. Slow down.
Do you want the
Relax.
president to talk?
Relax. We're gonna get you a wheelchair because you can't walk right now, okay?
Yeah, I can
So here,
totally
no,
walk.
you're not gonna walk. We're
No,
not
I actually can.
listen to me.
So I'm going to get the president of the United States to
Okay.
talk to us
Listen to
soon.
me. We're gonna get
Because
you a
you're
wheelchair.
actually pissing me off.
Okay.
You want me to get the president?
Sure, if that's gonna help you.
Yeah, I'll get the president to talk.
John, come on.
No. I'm going to get the president of the United States.
All right.
Come communicate.
John, this way.
Come on. We're gonna go this way. We're gonna take a car. We got a taxi. You want an Uber?
I am going to create a situation where you guys have created a situation that will be fascinating.
John, I'm gonna ask you one more time. Keep your hands out of your pockets while we're with you.
This is the last time I tell you to stop talking to me in that way.
Okay. Take your hands out of your pockets.
Why?
Because I don't like your hands in your pockets.
Why?
Because I don't know what's in there. Come on.
So why?
John, come on.
John,
Oh, why?
just orderly at this point. Come here.
You want to get. You want to create. Why? Why?
Square up.
Why? Why?
Turn around. You're under arrest right now, okay?
Why? For what?
Stop.
For what?
Go ahead.
Disorderly conduct.
No, I'm actually not.
You are.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm actually not.
You are.
You're gonna get
not getting
historical. You're about to experience something that's gonna be fascinating in American history. I knew you would do this. I knew you would do this.
Here, I got him.
The officer intervenes when the subject makes physical contact with another person. Under Florida law, unwanted contact can constitute battery. Notice slurred speech, unsteady balance, and rambling responses. These establish probable cause for disorderly intoxication under Florida Statute 856.011. The subject has no flight. Airport terminals beyond security are restricted to ticketed passengers and authorized personnel only. The restaurant manager legally excludes the subject from the property. His refusal triggers Florida Statute 810.08 Trespass law. The subject invokes an attorney. Miranda rights apply only during custodial interrogation, not consensual encounters or detentions. Refusal to sign the trespass warning is legally meaningless. The warning is valid whether signed or not.
John.
Don't you? Why are you fucking beating me up? What a horrible person you are. Why are you hurting me?
You need to walk with us. Just walk with us.
Why are you hurting me?
Are you hurting me?
You're actually hurting me. You're actually attacking me.
No, we're not.
You're in the public domain. These people are attacking me.
Come on.
Please pay attention to what they're doing. They're hurting me. You're actually hurting me. You're being nasty, dude.
You're doing it yourself, John. Unclench
No,
your fist.
you're actually being nasty.
John, unclench your fist.
You're actually being nasty to me. Why would you do that to me?
John.
Turn around, John.
Why? What are you doing? Why are you doing that to me?
John.
It's all recorded what you're doing.
Come on.
My aunt. My aunt. My aunt. My aunt. My aunt. My aunt in the morning.
Blue arrivals near Delta.
You up. What you've done to me. My aunt has now recorded what you did. You understand? You've been a nasty little
We just need a mobile unit for transport.
and my aunt has now recorded from Billy Banks and Bill.
Alright.
You're gonna push me like that?
I got it.
Billy Banks and Bill, dude. My aunt is about to eat you. My aunt will eat you, dude. Get this handcuff out of my arms now. My aunt from Belly Banks and Bill
Clenching his fist.
is about to eat you, dude. I want that shit taken out of my arms now.
You need to relax.
No, trust me, when my aunt gets to you, she will deal with you, you nasty. Can you have a conversation with him?
I'm having a conversation
He's
with him.
like being nasty.
He's just holding you because you're acting squirrely earlier.
I'm not. He won't have a normal conversation. We're friends.
We're having a normal conversation now.
We're actually friends, dude.
You said-
Why
John.
Why
John.
are you being nasty? Why are you being nasty?
Come on, John. Let's walk.
Why are you being nasty?
Anything on you.
Yeah, he's got sunglasses on his chest.
That was comfortable.
Stop moving.
Stop. No, I'm going to say
John.
that. Why?
Stand up, dude. Stand up. Relax. Enough with the games, bro. Spread your legs a little
Why is everything so nasty here?
Because you're the one making things difficult.
No, everything's nasty.
Just listen. I got the left Relax side. And listen. I'll pick the
What
right.
is it?
Got it?
What is it? It's weird, but
We have to search you before we put you in our car.
weird.
You have to-
Everything's
John,
weird, dude.
Stand up. Stop.
Weird. Everything's weird. Why is everything so weird, my friend?
Who's got the bag?
Everything's a nasty.
Bag's right there.
Everything's become a nasty.
John, stop moving now.
Tell me,
John, come on. You're a grown
why is everything?
Why are you acting like this?
Why is every human so nasty here? It wasn't like that growing up, my friend. You know what I mean. You grew up here too, my friend. You grew up here too, my friend.
Yes, man, we're 10-4.
But you grew up here too, my friend. Like, it wasn't like this growing up.
Yeah, I just need to pull the
Ah!
John, stop.
Stop! I want to go home. I want to go home.
You're
I
not
don't
going
care
home.
anymore.
Stand up.
I want to go home. I don't want any
John,
more.
you need to stand up, dude.
I want to go home. I want to go home, dude. What is this weird shit? I need more to go home.
The officers spend 15 minutes attempting voluntary compliance, demonstrating modern de-escalation principles. Tampa Airport Police is a fully accredited agency with complete law enforcement powers within airport property under Florida law. Despite being compared to ISIS, officers maintain composure and professionalism, demonstrating exemplary emotional control. The subject goes limp and refuses to support his weight. Under Florida Statute 843.02, passive resistance constitutes resisting without violence. Officers now have probable cause for disorderly intoxication based on public disturbance and resisting based on non-compliance with lawful commands. Before vehicle transport, officers must search for weapons. Michigan v. Long establishes this authority when safety concerns exist. Under Graham v. Connor, force must be objectively reasonable from the officer's perspective. Empty hand control is appropriate here. Officers use no strikes, pressure points, or weapons, only lifting techniques. No injuries occurred to anyone.
Dude,
Enough with the games, man.
I will call.
You're a grown adult. Start acting like it.
Dude, I'll call the police.
We are the police.
No, you're not.
Yes, we
actually,
are, buddy.
You're actually.
We're the police,
You're
my
actually
man.
fake
So can you
police.
chill out for me?
I am about to
You're a
call.
grown man.
I'm about to call the police on you. You have no idea
Call
what
the
the
police
police.
on the police.
You're fake police.
Yeah, I mean,
I want to call the police for my grandparents.
on my side.
You're actually fake police. Get the fuck.
There you go.
What you've done is actually you hurt me.
Come on.
Sit down, John. Put your butt in.
Hey,
Come on.
come on with me,
You
man.
hurt me, dude.
Come on. Come on. Sit up. It'll be way more comfortable for you.
Sit up.
Yeah, I'm gonna deal with you soon. My family's about to deal
Way
with
more
you.
comfortable.
You're a nasty
There you go.
bitch. I know what you are.
Hey, 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 hey. I got you.
I'm about to deal with you. You're fake.
Hold on, hold on. All right.
You're a fake.
You got enough?
You're a fake ancestor.
I think it's pretty easier.
And my family is going to kill you soon.
Yeah.
They'll kill you or they're going to kill him. I know. Can you...
Tampa Airport Police receive a B+ for exceptional patience, proper legal foundation, and appropriate force. Areas for improvement include earlier mental health consideration and transitioning to arrest sooner. The subject receives a D- for violating trespass, disorderly intoxication, and resisting laws. He harassed staff, refused commands, and employed passive resistance despite claiming he wanted to leave. Key lessons. Property owners can exclude anyone for non-discriminatory reasons. Once asked to leave, you must depart immediately or face criminal trespass charges. Passive resistance is still criminal under Florida law and guarantees physical force will be used. Miranda only applies to custodial interrogation. Invoking an attorney during detention has no legal effect. De-escalation has limits. When verbal techniques fail, officers must transition to enforcement to maintain public safety. The subject pleaded no contest and received deferred adjudication with a fine, typical for first-time misdemeanors with no injuries. Let us know what legal topics you'd like discussed in the comments. Thank you for watching.